Hey everyone, welcome back to Drill Coding. In this video, I'm going to take you through a complete roadmap for becoming a Java developer in 2025. Many students get confused in where should I start, what to learn next, and how to reach that job ready level. So today I'll clear all that confusion step by step. So let's get started. Your journey starts with core Java. This is your foundation and without it you can't move ahead. In core Java, learn the basic like variables, loops, data types, and then go deeper into object oriented concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation. After that, focus on collections like list, set, map, then multi-threading, exception handling, and file handling. And trust me, if your core Java is strong, then rest of the roadmap will become much easier. Once you are confident with core Java, the next step is advanced Java. And here you'll enter into the world of web development. Learn JDBC for database connectivity, servlets for request handling, JSP for dynamic pages, and understand how a simple Java web application works behind the scenes. Even though many companies now use Spring Boot, but having knowledge of advanced Java helps you understand the fundamentals of web applications. Third step is build tools like Maven and Gradle. When you work on projects, you'll need libraries and managing them manually is very difficult. That's where build tools help. They handle dependencies, packaging, and even testing automation. Get familiar with writing pom.xml in Maven or build.gradle in Gradle. And once you know this, working on real-world project will feel very professional. Fourth step is databases. A developer without database knowledge is incomplete. Start with SQL, learn how to write queries, joins, and indexes, then move to relational databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and also explore MongoDB, a NoSQL database for handling unstructured data. The goal is simple. You should know how to design, store, and retrieve data properly because every project depends on it. Fifth step is framework. This is where Java becomes really powerful. Start with Spring and Spring Boot. They make development faster, cleaner, and industry ready. Learn Hibernate for database mapping. Most modern companies work with these, so you can't skip them. Once you know Spring Boot, you can easily create REST APIs, microservices, and large scale projects. And this is where you'll feel like a real developer. Step 6 is microservices. Once you are strong in framework, it's time to learn modern architecture. Start with microservices using Spring Boot and learn how to break a big application into small services. Then understand containerization with Docker and also learn Kubernetes and at least one cloud platform like AWS or Azure, and this knowledge will place you ahead of many other candidates. Step 7 is testing. Many beginners ignore this step, but companies don't. Learn JUnit to write unit test and Mockito for mocking. Writing test proves that your code is reliable and won't break when changes are made. In interviews, if you mention testing, it leaves a very professional impression, and always remember quality code always include testing. Step 8 is all about tools and best practices. First, Git and GitHub. It must have for teamwork and version control. Then CI/CD like Jenkins or GitHub Actions, so your code builds and tests automatically. Next is design patterns, which proven solutions like Singleton or Factory that make your code flexible. And finally, clean code, meaningful names, no duplicate code, and simple methods. These practices turn you from just a coder into a real professional. Finally, remember, companies don't just hire based on technical knowledge. Soft skills are equally important. Work on communication, problem solving, and teamwork. And most importantly, build real projects, upload them into GitHub, make them public, and show them in your resume. A strong portfolio plus good communication skill is what really gets you hired. So this was the complete Java developer roadmap for 2025. If you follow this step by step, I'm sure you'll become job ready. And one more update for you. I'm starting a core Java series very soon on this channel where I'll teach you each topic in detail with examples. So make sure you subscribe to Drill Coding and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of those videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.